Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a CV that I want to edit, and it's fairly not well done. It's below average, so I want to make it an excellent CV that can be used to apply for a sales representative job. So I'm mainly going to focus on the formatting of the main sections, starting from the contact section, work experience, education, and skills, and maybe references and hobbies. So my name is Will. So if this is your first time on my channel, you can subscribe. If you have a CV that you want to edit or review, I do free reviews and I'll give you feedback on your CV. So without wasting too much time, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do with a CV is to first open a space. That is a new document. We are going to edit this CV using Microsoft Word. So the first thing you want to do after opening the fresh page, new page, you want to adjust the margin so that we want a CV that is 1 to 2 pages. So to achieve that kind of document, it is important to adjust the margins. So to adjust the margins, you go to layout, then you choose the narrow, so that you have the top, down, left and right margins narrow. Okay, then we want to use a font called Verdana. So you adjust it, 10 will be good for this kind of work. So to get started, the first item on the contacts, we want to edit the contact section first. So we start with the important details. Now under this CV, you have this person has so many unnecessary details like the nationality, date of birth, gender, and language. They are not necessary. So we are just going to add only 3 items: the full name, the phone number, and the email address. So the full name is here. We just copy and paste it here. Then we have the next item is the, so there's no typing at all. We just take the email, I'm not going to waste time typing the email. You just put the email colon, then paste the email there. Then telephone, just put telephone, then you add the telephone number here. That's a mobile phone. Then we are going to center these 3 items, and we can make adjustments on the name to make it a little bit larger. 16 or 18 would be good. Then ensure that it's in Verdana. Okay, so you can see the heading is the name, the email, and the telephone number. So that's the first section, very important on a CV. So in the next section, you enter twice, then you start with the first item. If the CV emphasizes on work experience, you type work experience. Now before we go to work experience, you can put a personal or professional. You put personal summary or professional summary. Then the next item you want to put is the work experience. Then we'll also have a section on education. We shall also have another section on skills. Then we have another section on hobbies and interest. Then the last section will be referees. So you just ensure that you enter twice in between the sections. Then we want to align these items towards the left. Then we format it properly in preparation to put the details under each section. So we want it to have a bottom border. You come here, you choose this bottom border. So instead of wasting time applying to these other section headings, you just copy this, use the format painter. Now you apply by clicking once on each of these sections. So once we have achieved that, we are now ready to add the specific details. And before you do that, you deselect the format painter. Okay, so that was pretty fast. Now let's proceed to adding the summary, work experience, education and skills. For the personal summary or professional summary, you do it very fast. Just 1 or 2 or 3 sentences will make it good. Then we proceed to the work experience, where we want to start with the formatting. These items, at least we want to include 3 experiences. Okay, so we start with the date when the experience was achieved. This one should also not take much time. So the date is there. Now you follow it with the position, sales representative, then the name of the organization, of the organization there. Then just below it we have the accomplishments. What did you accomplish as a sales representative? So we should have the title accomplishments. Then we align it towards the right. Yeah, that looks much better. So notice the keywords and the action verbs: promoted, held, and report writing, so that's how you format this section. So you do it for the 3 other experiences just like that. For education, we follow the same format as we've done for the work experience. So you put in the name of the date, then what was the diploma in agriculture, then you finish with the name of the institution. So you follow the same format for the 3 other qualifications. So the education, this is how it should appear: the name of the date, the diploma in bold, then the name of the institution. So once you've organized this from the highest level you've gone, then you come to the skills. It is important to include at least some 4 or 5 skills, okay, that are related to your work. Then you can also add hobbies and interests. Then you can finally add your referees. So as you can see, this a good looking document, very presentable. It can be read by HR officers. It can also be read by the ATS machines. So once you completed this, you can save it as a Word document, or you can also save it as a PDF document. So thank you so much. If you need your CV to be reviewed, I do it for free. If you also need your resume edited, I do it at a small fee. So thank you so much, and God bless you.